Have you ever felt like you're already doing everything right, eating well, taking your meds, getting enough rest, but still getting sick, feeling tired or just off? The cause might be something simple you overlook every day. Not your diet, not your exercise, but your personal hygiene, especially 5 hidden body parts that often go uncleaned and could lead to serious illnesses. Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll talk about 5 spots on your body that may look clean but are actually magnets for germs. Cleaning them properly every day can help prevent infections, boost your immune system, and even slow the aging process. Stick around till the end. The last one is the most ignored, but potentially the most dangerous. First, your hands. They touch everything: money, door handles, phones, and yes, your face. Viruses and bacteria often enter through the mouth, nose, and eyes, all places we touch with our hands. As we age, our immune system weakens, making infections easier to catch and harder to fight. Wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds, especially after going outside, before eating and after handling pets. Second, your feet, especially between your toes and your heels. Many older adults suffer from itchy feet, cracks, or unpleasant odors. These can be signs of bacteria or fungi, and if ignored, may lead to infections or slow healing wounds. Wash your feet daily, scrub the soles gently, and dry thoroughly, especially between the toes. It also improves circulation and helps with balance. Third is your face, particularly around the eyes and nose. Your face is constantly exposed to dust, pollution, and airborne germs. If not cleaned properly, this can cause irritation, allergies, or infections like conjunctivitis or sinus issues. Use warm water and gentle soap. Don't forget the eyelids and nostril edges. Clean gently with a soft cloth. This small habit can refresh your face and keep harmful microbes at bay. Fourth, your armpits. This area stays warm and damp, making it perfect for bacteria to grow. If not cleaned well, it can cause body odor, rashes, or skin infections. Wash your armpits daily with soap and make sure they're completely dry before using deodorant. Don't rely on perfumes or sprays. They mask odor but don't remove the real cause. Fifth, your navel or belly button. Probably the most forgotten part. Did you know hundreds of bacteria species can live in your belly button? If dirt builds up, it can lead to bad odor, irritation, or even infection. Clean it gently with a damp cotton swab or soft cloth once a day. No scrubbing needed, just be gentle and consistent. So remember, your hands, feet, face, armpits, and navel may seem minor, but keeping them clean can protect you from infections, boost your immune defense, and help you stay healthier longer. If this video helped you, please tap the like button, share it with your family or friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, stay healthy and happy, and see you in the next video.